Hey guys, real quick review. I have been using Bask Lather's Volume Eyebrow and Lash Serum. Eyebrows still need a little work, but these lashes though. So this side has mascara, this side does not. Let's take a close look at my lashes. You see these lashes though? And you see what it looks like with this Fenty Beauty Full Frontal mascara. Can you see them? Lashes looking right? Okay, so again, Bask Lather's Volume. I'm not going to put it on because I'm about to go out, so I don't want to have this on. But I am going to put on this Full Frontal mascara for you guys so you can see the growth in these lashes. I'm going to have to find a picture. But anyway. Let me stop it. You see this? No lashes, no lash extensions, just me and Bask Lather. Yes, get into it. Purchase. That's it. Not sponsored.